This dog just made its way all the way down the Great Pyramid of Giza. It comes after jaw-dropping footage captured on Monday showed paraglider Alex Lang soaring above the Great Pyramid when he noticed movement on its apex. And 2 days later, the dog was seen casually descending the landmark. For context, the Great Pyramid of Giza, originally built at a height of 481 feet, is now about 455 feet tall due to the loss of its outer casing stones and the erosion of its peak over time. It remains one of the tallest ancient structures in the world, and that dog climbed down after 2 days like it was nothing.